In the daytime, I'm Marinette, just a normal girl.
Miraculous, simply the best, up to the test, with things simple.
Miraculous, simply the best, up to the test.
Miraculous, simply the best.
Oh, miraculous, the lucky power of love always so strong. Oh my gosh! Ugh.
Marinette! Marinette, wake up. Marinette!
Oh my god! What is it?
You have school today!
Oh.
Would you like chalky milk or vanilla chalky milk?
Adrian.
Marinette, Adrian is not a flavor. Get your head in the game.
I hope Chloe's not in my class for 4 years straight.
Sabrina, get that toilet squeaky clean. I need to sit there at 12 o'clock, Sabrina. Sorry, Chloe, I have a mental breakdown scheduled for 10 o'clock. Anyway, Sabrina, get to work. Do Pan-Chang. What are you doing here?
What are you doing here, Chloe?
Well, I'm in Miss Boustier's class.
Well, I'm in Miss Boustier's class too.
Sabrina, call Daddy Kids. I need to be removed from this stupid class.
Well, see you in class, Chloe.
Not a chance, Duke Pan-Chang. Sabrina, I'm ready for my 2 p.m. Hi, I'm Adrian.
The Adrian?
Oh, yeah, it's me. Adrian Agras, Gabriel Agras, the famous fashion designer's son.
Anyways,
I was homeschooled for a while.
2 hours later. What? Whoa.
Nice of you to drop in. You might be my partner Mike Kwame told me about.
What? I'm madly clumsy. So clumsy.
It's okay. It's okay. I'm still trying to get a hang of it too. I'm Cat Noir. Yeah, Cat Noir. Rare.
And I'm, Ladybug. Call me Ladybug.
I like it. It's catchy, my ladybug.
You sound annoying.
Adrian. All the girls are fighting over him, yet no one's fighting over me. Yeah, I'm so much more sophisticated, better looking, and better dressed than him.
Bloopers. He's my very good friend. We're buddies.
Hey there, son.
Dad? Wait, sorry.
Look at help, I can't swim.
I'm dead! But Dad, crocodiles know how to swim.
Well, I didn't know when I was a kid.
Cat Noir, act natural or you're gonna get us caught.
I am natural.
What?
Oh, hey, Liv. How's it going? Gotta bring some stuff in.
Moo?
No, it's Pop Mom, you stupid child. I should have never traumatized you.
Bro, that's the end of the bloopers. Like, bro, are you even doing anything? Like, bye. Thanks for watching.